if your AI images are messy. Let's clean them up. Welcome back to the Mindcode Bootcamp.
Okay, I was specific, but now the background is a total mess. I just wanted the warrior.
And that's what negative prompts are for. They tell the AI what to avoid or remove from the image. Oh, well, think of it as telling the AI what you don't want for a cleaner or more focused final image.
Watch this. We keep the main prompt, but look at the negative prompt box.
See? By adding cluttered background and rubble to the negative prompt, you get a clean image that focuses on your subject.
That's amazing. It's like having a delete button for ideas.
Exactly! It's a powerful tool for fine-tuning your images.
Lesson summary. Use negative prompts to wipe the canvas clean. Subscribe for lesson 3, where we master art styles.